dark. Carla gonna be 19. So fun fact, Carla could have been born on February 29th. She was born on March 1st. Carla, no we're not.
Just kidding. U-turn?
Corpus Christi. Oh look, Austin.
Can I make a U-turn?
Carla, should we transfer? We made it. Carla, are you ready?
Burger 21.
Oh, those are cute.
I got this shirt at Ross for $5.
I got this shirt at Palace Royal. Jacket at
Palace
H&L.
Royal.
And
Shoes
pants.
at Vans.
Shoes at Vans.
Body from my mom.
Well, you need to love your stay. We should explore San Antonio.
Not really. Kind of feels good.
Kind of feels cold. Kind of chill.
I do what?
In half a mile, turn right onto College Street.
Saltgrass. Oh, it's right there. No, you didn't hear it? It sounded like a fart. Oh, did you fart?
No. Oh my gosh.
It's the boat.
Aquifers and under the Colorado River is about 40,000 years old. This is a 10,000-year-old river. It's 20 years old. You'll never guess what it is.
What is it?
That's a church.
What?
It's called San Antonio de Valero. You know what Valero means?
What does it mean?
It's a gas station in Texas.
You got it? Carla, look, the Alamo's right there. Wow, look at this. I don't know how I'm gonna vlog this, but. Got it? Oh my gosh, I don't know how to vlog this without like, there you go. I think I got it. I'm gonna just do it this way. You got it? You wanna cross the road?
Yeah.
Oh, my nose is shiny. Got the unicorn. Where that though? Should decorate the room, Carla. We should put balloons in the room. We should put confetti. Balloons? No.
If you don't clean it up.
I mean, we'll take the balloons. Oh my gosh, look at that old TV.
It's cute.
The only way to eat a cupcake.
La número 2.
Literally. Oh my. Five screenshots and I'll eat all these cupcakes.
The second one?
I shook. La número 2.
It was going to be a pretty scar. If I wouldn't have a scar, it's going to be a pretty one.
Happy birthday.
It's not my birthday.
Yeah, it is. Happy birthday to you.
It's not my
Happy
birthday
to you.
It's not my
Happy
birthday.
birthday, yeah, Carla Marie Lozano Garza. Wow. So, we're out here at the Tower of Americas. It's really tall. And we are gonna go. Oh, that's cute. Oh yeah, this is real cute. We're gonna ride it. I haven't been talking a lot, but yeah, we're having like an adventure today. Still, again, we're just YOLOing everything, and it's just like, look at this thing. Like, what? It's not that tall? I thought he said 175. Oh, my stomach growling. Oh! Enough.
¿Cómo dice mi chepe? Alegremente o las mañanitas, las que quieras. Las mañanitas. Happy birthday, Carla! Qué linda está la mañana, hoy que vengo y placer a mira Carla, ay, 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 Carla. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You can see my big toe. This is Harry Potter. That does not look like Harry Potter. Leonardo Da Vinci. No, DiCaprio. Look. This is Will Ferrell. There you go. gosh, I love Jimmy Fallon. I have Jimmy Kimmel. Jimmy Kimmel's not funny. I'm sorry. You're not funny. And I know him. He's a night at the museum. Who is that supposed to be? Because I know that is not supposed to be who I think it is. That looks like it. Yep. Oh, look, he got a tattoo. This is low-key cool. How would I? Just hold it right there. One of us is gonna have to open up. Pilgrims. This is kind of. Carla, come hold her or go over there.
Look, it's Obama, my president.
Hi guys, I just want to tell you everything on the news is fake. Fake news. You got it? You got it?
No, I can't make that voice.
I just did. I don't even think I did the right voice.